Old school came first.
Right.
Old school, new school, my school, your school, his school, her school, mama school, papa school,
Right.
boy school, girl school, baby school. See, the whole world is a classroom.
Right.
Am I right or wrong?
You may have heard about the Footwash. One word, not two. Despite its rather specific name, the event has almost nothing to do with feet, other than the fact that there's a lot of them there. The Footwash is an annual event just outside of Uniontown, Alabama, almost directly in between Selma and Demopolis, in the heart of the Black Belt. The Footwash happens every year on the fourth weekend of September. Tens of thousands of people show up to drink, dance, and revel for the weekend in one of the largest and most permissive environments I've ever been a part of. There's stripper tents on the premises, endless stands selling $1 beers, cocktails, and daiquiris, and those cartoonishly large turkey legs they eat in Game of Thrones. The most famous of the vendors is undeniably Magic Mike's tent, located just outside of the main entertainment areas of the event. The tent features nude dancers inside of its plastic boundaries. Rumor has it that other services are available at the Footwash, if you know who to ask. Footwashers primarily walk from one end of the event to the other, stopping to dance at DJ booths or trying their chances on mechanical bulls. Although there are a few younger participants, most of the clientele are in their mid to late 20s, though the older experienced crowd stands by to keep everyone in check. The annual party has its roots in the post-slavery South, around what is called a benevolent society. During this time, black people could not get life insurance or health insurance. Benevolent societies were a community solution to this problem. Poor sharecroppers of the area could pay a small amount each month to the society. In the event that a member got sick and bedridden, the society would send someone to take care of them. If and when they died, the society would give them a decent funeral, like any human deserves. The Fairhope Benevolent Society was the group serving the area west of Montgomery. As time went on and people moved away, Fairhope began having a kind of homecoming for its wayfaring sons and daughters on the fourth weekend of September each year, revolving around worship and fellowship. But these big city folks brought with them big city vices. A party began forming in the woods next to the building. The rest is history. For a lot of years, the event was fairly wide open with no oversight whatsoever. The rumors say it was on the level of Sodom and Gomorrah, but there's no confirmation of that. What we do know is that several years ago a man was shot at the Footwash, not by a gangster or a would-be mugger, but by his wife in a domestic dispute that may or may not have had to do with the stripper tents scattered throughout the event. The next year, and in the years since, state troopers and other law enforcement agencies have had a strong presence at the Footwash. Though they don't break up any of the non-violent but not quite legal dealings, they do offer a sense of safety that is reassuring. Overall though, the Footwash has a surprisingly casual feel. Although its reputation makes it a bit intimidating, it only takes a few minutes in the welcoming crowd at the Footwash to feel like you're part of the party.